In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable button in a Canva website. Let's start from inside your Canva website design. Make sure you already have your website project open on the Canva editor. On your page, decide where you want your clickable button to appear. This might be near the top as a call to action, or somewhere in the middle of your layout where it's easy for visitors to see. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva editor and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find shapes, graphics, and other design pieces. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type the word Button. Canva will then show you a variety of button styles, including solid shapes, outlined buttons, and buttons with icons. Scroll through the options and choose a button style that matches your website's look and feel. When you find one you like, click on it once and it will appear on your page. You can then drag it to position it exactly where you want it. Use the corner handles to resize the button, making sure it's large enough to be noticed but not so big that it overwhelms your design. Next, customize the appearance. With the button selected, use the toolbar at the top to change the color so it matches your brand or the rest of your page. Click on the text inside the button and type in your call to action, such as Learn More, Contact Us, or Shop Now. Adjust the font, size, and alignment until it looks clean and easy to read. Remember that short, clear text works best for buttons. Once your button looks right, it's time to make it clickable. With the button selected, go to the top toolbar and look for the link icon. Click on that, and a small field will appear where you can paste or type the URL you want people to visit when they click the button. This could be another page on your Canva website, your online store, a booking form, or any external link. After entering the URL, press Enter or click Done to apply the link. To double-check that everything works, use the Preview option in the top right corner of Canva. In the preview mode, hover over your button and click it to confirm it takes you to the correct page. If something isn't right, go back to the editor, select the button, and update the link. When you're happy with the design and the link, publish your Canva website. Your visitors will now see a polished, clickable button that guides them exactly where you want them to go.